I love maths. We love maths. Welcome to today's maths meeting. Welcome to another exciting maths meeting. We have an odd one out, all about footwear. We have a new pattern inspired by one of you. We have a how many question, and we have what shapes. So let's start with our odd one out. So on our odd one out, we have four things. And if you remember odd one out, we have to look at what is the odd one out and why. And as long as we can say why in a nice long sentence, then you are correct. So let's have a think. I will count to 20 or count down from 20. And you can have a think about which one is the one out. Just so we know what we've got, we have these. What are these? They help you swim. They're called flippers. We have a pair of flippers. We have a boot. Could be a welly, could be a boot, could be a DM. It's a boot. We have a sock or a stocking. And we have one of these. What's that? A flip-flop. So flippers, boot, sock, flip-flop. Which is the odd one out and why? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So which is the odd one out and why? What do you think? I'm going to go with the boot is the only one because it's the only one I'd wear if it was muddy. So if I'm walking on Tutankhamun and it's really muddy, I'd definitely put boots on. I wouldn't go out in my socks, I wouldn't go out in flip-flops, and I wouldn't go out in flippers. No. The sock is the odd one out because it's the only one I'd leave at Christmas for presents. You can't put presents in a flipper. You can't put presents in a flip-flop. You can't really put presents in a boot, but you can put them in a sock or a stocking. What's your answer? Anything to do with swimming or beaches or something else? Who would wear these things? What do you think? Lots of choices there. What do you think? Let me know. Okay, let's go with, let's shuffle over. And I want to know how many. That's my one I want to know. How many are here? Now I could just count the dots, but I want to be cleverer than that. I want to really think about how to get the answer. So the first thing I want to know is how many is this and how many is this? So you might be able to work out just by looking. Probably this one. How many is that one? What number is the yellow pneumicon? 1, 2, 3. That's right, 3. So I'm going to write a 3 above it. 3. Round the tree and round the tree. Let's move these out of the way a little bit. There you go. And I'm going to put 3 dots underneath. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. So that's 3. What's the pink one? What number is the pink one? It's the same as the rainbow number block. What's the rainbow number block? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Across and down. 7. Okay. Let's add 7 here. Now I'm going to make 7 using a 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 more, 6, 7. So we've got a 3 and we've got a 7. How many altogether? Well, I'm going to use my 10 frame. I'm going to see if we fill the 10 frame. Let's find out. So let's put the 3 in first. 1, 2, 3. There's the 3. Now let's put the 7 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh, look. Our 10 frame is full. What do you know about 10 frames? If it's full, it must be 10. It must be 10. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 10. So is this 10 then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 and 7 is 10. Oh, I wonder if you can put it together. Look. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 add 7 equals 10. That's how many? Fantastic. 2 more things. So let's do what shapes. What shapes can you see in my picture? It's a very strange, spooky picture with some spooky trees. What shapes can you see here? What shapes can you see? I'll give you 10 seconds to think of all the shapes you can see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, let's have a look up here. First thing you can see is a triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides. A triangle. Oh, let's put that. Oops. A triangle. Then I can see some squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 short sides, 2 long sides. Here I can see a circle. And here I can see another rectangle. Short side, long side, short side, long side. Now the last two are a bit more tricky. You've got this shape. This is called a semicircle. So imagine a circle, like that. If you cut it in half, that's it, just half of it, like you half a pizza, it's called a semicircle, half a circle, a semicircle. And this here, this shape here, the moon shape, is called a crescent. Everyone say crescent. That's right, crescent moon. Very good. Good. Can you draw a drawing with some shapes? Use some shapes, please, to do a house, or maybe wheels of a car, or a person with a round head. So can you use some shapes to make a picture? Last thing, we have this pattern. And I want to know what's coming next. Let's see. Spider, boat, cat, car, bear. Oh. Can you think of anything that's changing and anything that's the same? What's changing and what's staying the same? Well, what's this? It's a spider. Okay. Well, that's not a spider. Okay, that's an animal. A spider's an animal, and that's not an animal. Okay, animal, not an animal. Animal, not an animal. Animal. Ah, so animal, animal, animal. What are these things here? You can go somewhere in a boat. You can go somewhere in a car. Are there vehicles? Vehicles are things you use to go somewhere. Okay, so animal, vehicle, animal, vehicle, animal. Oh, okay. So which one of these four can I use next? Which one is a vehicle? Something you use to go somewhere. The van or the cake? The van. That you can use a van to go to school or to move something. Okay, so let's see if it's right. Animal, vehicle, animal, vehicle, animal, vehicle. What's next? Which one of those is next? Animal, yes. Let's check it before we finish. Zoom in. Animal, vehicle, animal, vehicle, animal, vehicle, animal. Good pattern. Very good. Look at that. So today I would like you to make a pattern. Try and think of, rather than colours, try and think of things to change in your pattern. Draw a picture for me using shapes. Can you add two numbers together? And if you haven't done a 10 frame yet, make yourself a 10 frame. And tell me which is the odd one out and why. Thank you very much. Awesome work. That was a bit close. I love maths. We love maths. See you later. Bye.